This one candle here, this small inside bar, is exactly what led to a quick and easy $460 profit from one single trade. In this video, I'm going to break down what exactly an inside bar is and how we can use them to find some of the biggest breakouts in the market on a consistent basis. Now, first and foremost, in order to potentially have an inside bar or an inside bar breakout, what we need is going to be an initial main candle to kind of start that momentum off. That might be something like a big gap and go, like what we have here, or a big intraday spike. Regardless, it's going to be kind of our main initial candle that is again going to start that momentum off. And what we're looking for the following day then is going to be a candle that fits completely within the range of that initial main candle. And that is going to be then our inside bar. Now, we're not actually looking to trade this inside bar until it's completely closed and completely formed. What we're looking for then is going to be an inside bar breakout that happens the following day. And that inside bar breakout is going to be triggered then by a move above the high of that inside bar, in this case being $1.53. Essentially, what this inside bar is kind of showing us is that the price is consolidating and holding up well after that initial main move happens. And this breakout that happens then above that inside bar's high is signaling that momentum is picking back up, and that's often a great sign that the trend is going to continue higher. So the great thing about this specific trade is that it came straight out of our trade plans in the Market Master group. We post 3 detailed trade plans every single night, so our traders always have a plan of attack for some trades, and this was posted as an inside bar setup on the daily chart. Keeping it simple here, and we'll be looking for an inside bar breakout to buy, which would be a move over Thursday's $1.53 high of day. If it happens to gap up over that level into the open, the entry would be a 5-minute opening range breakout for the gap and go. Now that brings up an important point because a lot of traders, myself included, don't trade in the pre-market session or in after hours. I personally only trade in the market hours. So if a stock is moving above that inside bar breakout level during the pre-market session, just like it did here with AIFF, how do you go about trading that inside bar breakout? And for me personally, the way that I like to go about it is to then wait for a 5-minute opening range breakout. And if we take a quick look at this intraday 5-minute chart, our first 5-minute candle has a high of 165 and a low of 145. So that's going to be the opening range. And what we would be looking for then for the opening range breakout would be a move above that opening range's high. That's going to be an opening range breakout. That's also going to be triggering that inside bar breakout. And that's going to be a great sign that momentum is picking back up for a breakout trade. And the goal for me when I'm taking this kind of trade is to buy quickly into that breakout and then to use the low from that opening range as my risk level on the trade. And in doing so, you'd be able to buy into this in the 160s, risking maybe 20 cents per share to the downside and being able to capitalize on 40 or 50 cents per share to the upside as this breakout continues higher. Now I want to give a quick shout out to one of our traders in the Market Master group. Boss888 was able to catch this inside bar breakout along with me in the stock AIFF from 158 to 180, saying that that was his best trade of the week for him. It's not just me profiting from these breakouts, our team is always following along with these trades as well. And I want to mention that if you're not already with us in the group and you're just looking for a free way to kind of level up your trading, we do have a free 1-hour beginner course at Master the Market. It's going to teach you all of the basics of price action, some basics of technical analysis. You're going to learn how to manage risk, and it's even going to teach you in detail a very simple breakout trading strategy that you can use to get started trading on a consistent basis. Again, 100% free. All you have to do is put in your email at the link down below in the description, and that will be sent to you immediately. So I want to show you how repeatable this strategy can be, especially in the small cap market, because we do regularly have stocks that are spiking up 50%, 100%, 200%. And from there, we often get inside bars that form the following day. And if we take a look here at EDSA, this was one of the biggest movers in the market over the past week or so. This started off really from this initial spike here with high volume. That was our main candle for this pattern. The very next day, we get ourselves an inside bar, and the following day after that, the inside bar breakout is triggered once it moves above that inside bar high of $1.42. From there, we get a nice spike higher over the next few days, And if we look further, we see that this moves higher and higher and higher from that 142 inside bar breakout level to today's high, $6.83. So that shows you the power of this inside bar breakout pattern, especially when paired with very strong volume, a low float, and even short sellers that are trapping themselves into these moves and causing a squeeze to the upside. But anyway, thanks for watching this video. I hope you found some value in this and learned a thing or two about inside bar breakouts and how you can use them to catch some big moves in the market. If you did, please make sure to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Good luck with your trading.